Tacking. Tacking is a 4-part process: preparation, entry, middle and exit. Here we demonstrate the height-to-hike tack. Preparation. In these conditions, the boat is flat going into the tack. The sailor positions his back foot over the toe strap. Entry. He squeezes the main sheet in, steers into the tack. Middle. Leading with his tiller extension, he crosses the boat, easing the main sheet, using his front hand to guide the body across. On exit, looking forward, he returns to a hiking position to maintain boat balance, switches his hands and squeezes the main sheet back in. In summary, boat balance, footwork, squeeze main sheet, steer, cross, hike, switch hands, squeeze main sheet.